Did you know that scalping can yield up to 60% more consistent profits than swing trading? Stick around to find out why scalping might just become your new favorite trading strategy. We're diving into two popular trading strategies, scalping and swing trading. For those new to these terms, scalping involves making many quick trades to capture small price movements, closing trades usually within minutes of opening the positions, while swing trading means holding positions open for days or even weeks before closing them looking for greater movements. Swing traders face several challenges. Holding positions for longer periods can be stressful, especially with the constant risk of market fluctuations. Overnight news or economic events can dramatically affect your positions, leading to positions climbing away from you, becoming stopped out with unexpected losses. Plus, the waiting game can be taxing, both mentally and financially, as the trader may need to prop up his trades with additional funds to avoid margin calls and cover other fees such as swaps. On the other hand, scalping offers some significant benefits. By focusing on small price movements, scalpers can make multiple trades in a single day, avoiding the risks associated with holding positions overnight. This strategy not only reduces exposure to fees and market volatility but also allows for more consistent, incremental gains. So, why is scalping often more profitable and less risky? Firstly, the quick turnaround of trades minimizes exposure to sudden market changes. Secondly, the high frequency of trades means more opportunities to profit, even from minor price movements. Lastly, the disciplined approach required for scalping often leads to better risk management and more precise execution. Trade the major pairs to benefit from moderate volatility and strong liquidity. Note that not all Forex brokers allow their traders to adopt a scalping strategy and/or there are time limits applied. Typically, the brokers not allowing scalping require trades to be open for a minimum of 5 minutes. Watch out for brokers with high spreads. The biggest challenge for scalpers is the spread. Scalpers rely on making numerous small profits that add up over time, but high spreads can diminish or even eliminate these gains. Other risks include slippage, execution delays, and technical issues. For scalping to be successful, everything must run smoothly and efficiently. There are plenty of low-spread brokers who do allow scalping such as XM, Markets.com, AvaTrade and IC Markets. Examples with links in the description below for you. Why not combine with a dedicated scalping trading bot or expert advisor to trade for you? In summary, while swing trading has its merits, scalping can offer higher returns with less risk. The ability to quickly capitalize on small market movements and avoid overnight risks makes scalping a compelling strategy choice for many traders. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on trading strategies. We'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences with scalping or swing trading in the comments below. Let's build your winning trading formula.